Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to deactivate or delete Threads account without deleting Instagram account. To deactivate or delete Threads account, first you have to tap Open your application. Then tap on the profile icon located on the bottom right. Now tap on the two lines located on the top right. Here tap on Account. Now tap on Deactivate or Delete Profile. Deactivating your profile is temporary. Your Threads profile, content, likes, and followers will not be visible to anyone until you have reactivated your profile by logging back in. But deleting your profile is permanent. Your Threads profile, content, likes, and followers will be hidden before being permanently removed in 30 days. Remember, your Instagram account will not be deleted or deactivated. This only applies to your Threads profile. Now, you can tap on Delete Profile to delete your account. Here, you have to enter your password and then tap on Delete Threads Profile for confirmation. Here, I will be deactivating my profile, so tap on Deactivate Profile. Now, for confirmation, tap on Deactivate. And that is how you successfully deactivate Threads account. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.